First and foremost, the nation is not giving us help. We keep saying that the students are the leaders of tomorrow. Which leaders do you want us to be if we are not even? After tunakufa, we do not have food. We cannot fund our education. So the government should look into it. We should be given the fees. Comrades are deferring their semesters. How do you want us to finish school and also feed ourselves if you cannot fund us to us? Comrades, power! We will close the street. We will not go anywhere. If this issue is not addressed, this place is Eldoret will be closed. All these streets will be closed. We will come back to the streets on Monday. Comrades!
Power!
Comrades, power! Comrades, power! It doesn't make sense when the government will make money bringing changes in the BBI. Why the comrades are stopping? Comrades, power! Comrades, here! Let them spend that money within 1 week financing the comrades. Comrades, power!
Youth shall be suspended. Mercy shall be suspended. And the reason we are here is because other universities, Technical University of Kenya, a small university that came after us, is the second oldest university in Kenya. Are receiving help and we have not received help. Wewe Ringera, wewe tutakukujia.
Jina langu ni Vanilla chuo kikuu cha Moi. Leo tuko hapa tunasema mtupe serikali. Hapa ni kwenu. Shughulikia malalamishi yetu. We need actually school fees. Atulali. We would not until wameshughulikiwa. Comrades power! Comrades power!
Thank you so much.
Comrades power! Comrades power! We are here to defend with your systems of the health product.
I'm the comrades barista. Comrades power! Comrades Tiaga! We are here for a specific and pointed reason. Comrades have done
power!
Comrades cannot continue suffering. Comrades are living in pain and agony and in constant agony. Comrades money. We cannot continue.
Comrades,
without this
comrades, power! Comrades, power! Power! So this is a sad day for us as comrades because we are hungry, and we are in anguish. One thing we are asking for is help to explain us why we are being discriminated against. Why are some people getting their money when we are not getting it?
Kwa hivyo tunaambia serikali, tunaambia help, tumetoka na hizo shida, tunawapa lete tunaida, tunaona pesa kwa account, tunaona do it and everything, stoppable, until they give us money, because we are going to show that we can't respect the government, let them stand. If they will not have released money, we are going 38,000 of us. We are saying comrades can stop reggae. Comrades can stop reggae. We must be given help. We must be facilitated to attain education, which is our basic right. Sawa sawa? Wewe Ringera wewe. Wewe Ringera wewe. You must release help. We are giving you 1 week. Comrades are surviving on water alone. Comrades are surviving alone. We are saying we must get help. Comrades power! Comrades here!